Hi friends, my name's Leisha and I am so happy you're here. I'm especially excited about today's project because it's a super easy DIY. Anyone can do it. It's a minimum effort, maximum payoff, which is always what we look for when it comes to DIYs. So let's jump right in and I'll show you what I did. First, I went to Ikea to get this beautiful table. I love this table. I love the clean, sleek lines. I love the little tray that comes out. It comes in several different colors. You can see that it's the Gladum table and it's less than $20. Here my mom and I are at her house putting the table together. It was super easy. It really only took a couple of minutes. After we put the table together, I went to Lowe's to pick up some tiles. Now, you really don't need a lot of tiles. I had quite a few left over from my project, so just pick the colors that you want. You can see that I got a tan, a brownish one, a white, this beautiful slate gray, and then this really pretty blue tile. I learned that getting the mosaic type tiles, you get a lot more bang for your buck. You get just so many different colors and textures and styles all in one package. I also learned that they are a bit harder to break up, which you'll see later on, so you'll just have to weigh your pros and cons there. I wanted to show you these glass tiles that I got. I got this black one and then also a gold one. They are pure glass and really, really hard to break up because they actually are just clear glass with this gold or the black foil back behind them. I only got a few pieces to actually work out where you could see the gold, and it was gorgeous. I loved that shimmering gold on the tabletop. Next, we put the tiles into some throwaway towels, and we just hit them with a hammer, we hit them with a trowel, we hit them with the side of the hammer, and any other technique we could think of to get the shape that we wanted. I really wanted to get some triangular shapes in there. I liked when the tiles didn't have flat edges. Next, we needed to mix the cement to go in the bottom of that tray portion of the table. And I'll be honest here, I used way too much water with the cement. So I ended up using some grout as well, and it actually worked out really well. After you have it mixed up and stirred in really well, you'll just ice the tabletop. My kids kept telling me it looked like we were icing a cake. The key here is to get it as smooth as possible and also go all the way up on the edges. You want that entire tray to be completely full. After it was completely filled up, I wanted to make it extremely smooth. So I ended up pounding it on the ground a little and vibrating it with my fingers to get all of the air bubbles out. Next, we just took our time to fill in the table with all of the tile pieces. We kind of went by color where we put in the white ones first, and then the blue ones, and then the dark ones, just so that each color was evenly spread throughout the entire table. I searched high and low for a terracotta tile, and I was never able to find one. What I found was that on the bottom side of that white tile, it actually had that terracotta texture and color. So I ended up just flipping some of those white pieces over to show the terracotta side, and it worked out really well, and I saved some money. So just take your time, put the colors in where you think you would like them. There's really no rhyme or reason. We just tried to have all the colors evenly spread out. Here is the tabletop completely filled in with all of our tile. You can see that the mix of the lights and darks look really nice together. I let the tabletop dry overnight, and then I came in with this pre-mixed grout. This little bucket is only $5. You just need 2 of them. I ended up going up with the white color. I think it looked really pretty in the end. After letting the grout dry, I came in with a block sander and just sanded the entire tabletop down. There were a few little tile pieces that were sticking up, and some uneven grout pieces. If I had any tip to give to you, it is this: get your grout as smooth as you possibly can. It will make a huge difference. Also, if you want more of your tile pieces to be showing, take a wet rag and wash off your grout before you let it cure all the way. I didn't end up washing any of my grout off, and I actually really liked the way that looked. But if you want yours to be a little different and see more of the tile, then you know what to do. After sanding it down, I got the spray Grout Sealer. I really wanted this to be a table that is functional, that I can actually use. This is going to be going in my living room with my 3 kids and my dog, and it really needed to be durable. So how did it turn out? I absolutely love the way this looks in my space, but I want to know what you guys think. Blast making this table, and it looks so good in my space. I absolutely adore the way it looks and the functionality that it gives me and my family. I hope you try it at home, and I hope you found some tips and tricks that might help you along the way. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you next time. Bye!